Yeah, I love everything you said. And um I'm going to sum it all up in one word, and that word is humility. You led with humility. You didn't lead with ego, you didn't lead with pride. You led with a humble approach that, like you said, made everybody heard. And the great thing about leading with humility is you can't fake it.
Mm,
You have to be genuine when you lead with humility. And when you lead from a genuine place, it instantly sets everybody's walls a couple of pegs down, because we all have walls, we all have those barriers, right? But when people feel that genuine humility that you bring to the table, it's like, oh, those walls just come down a little bit further, and that already puts you a step ahead, being the new person on the team, the new face, because you're already tearing down walls.
mm,
And that, as a leader, that's one of our most important jobs, right? We got to tear down the barriers blocking, especially whenever it's coming to changing a giant engine in the machine. We have to tear down those barriers. So I love that.